What's up?
It's snowing over here.
What's up, Facebook? What's up, guys? We're hanging out in the North Pole. It's freezing outside, and this guy forgot his jacket, but we're out and
through.
about. Where are we today?
So we're in Chelsea, Massachusetts.
Tag some people here.
So we just listed a property over here. We'll give you a quick sneak peek. We're walking by it.
Cool. I couldn't tag anybody.
It's a single family home, so like we do with any property we put on the market, we go around the neighborhood, let neighbors know. We already talked to a couple of neighbors who are coming to an open house this weekend. Single family, 4 beds, 2 baths, great location. Look at this neighborhood, like look at these houses here.
How many homes are on the market in Chelsea right now? Well, single family homes.
2 single family, including ours.
Including ours.
And ours is the best priced home.
Yep, best price home.
Which is nice. So we're gonna get a lot of interest. We already got a couple people giving verbal offers. But we're gonna be holding open houses this weekend.
So we're in Chelsea, if you're just popping on. We're in Chelsea promoting our new listing. It's over here. What's the address here? 56
Parker Street.
Single family house. And Veronica was just saying that there's only 2 single family homes for sale in all of Chelsea right now. That's unbelievable.
Yep.
Extremely low inventory right now. If you're thinking about selling a home this year, this is the time. If you're thinking about buying a house, definitely look into it. Interest rates are super low right now. What else? We have the open house coming up.
We have this weekend is actually so check this out. This weekend and next weekend, because it's spring vacation for a lot of the kids, go out there and preview homes, take a look at homes. There is not going to be as much competition for some buyers. So take advantage of that and make an offer. Give us a call if you're thinking about making an offer. We'll run the numbers for you, give you comparables, and help you secure a property.
I don't think it's the spring market. It doesn't feel like it. It feels like it's winter right now.
Look at all the snowflakes.
Yeah, that's why we're putting the snowflakes on there, because it's not the springtime. It's still winter time.
Joshua.
Joshua, thanks for popping on. We have this house for sale. Look at those 2. Those guys look like they're warm. I'm cold. But we have a single family house that's for sale now. Only 2 properties for sale in all of Chelsea. So we're out and about promoting the listing, telling all the neighbors, all the people who live here that this house is for sale.
This house is for sale.
Not that person, that house, sorry. That house is for sale, so we're going around the neighborhood just educating everybody that the market's tight over here in Chelsea. People are looking for homes. Interest rates are super low. Reach out to us. We do this every time we have a listing. We also call around the neighborhood, just letting everybody know this is on the market now. And we bump into all these people that say, yeah, I'm actually thinking about selling as well. So if you're a buyer, you should reach out to your agent, see if they have any off-market. We have a ton of off-market properties. Just this week, we tied up 2 off-market properties, one in Chelsea, a 3-family house, and another one in Saugus, a 2-family house. So if you're looking for an off-market, reach out to your agent. Anybody that's on here that knows us, feel free to reach out to us. We might have a perfect match for you now. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. 56 Parker, Chelsea, Massachusetts. Check it out. Pop online. Reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.